Hey everybody, Rich Lewis Jr. and we're at the captain's helm with the captain of the vessel, and he's going to go over a few very, very important items at the helm here, including engine hours and some of the electronics, what it does and does not have. So Steve, why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about what it does and does not have, and walk us through it.
Yeah, you got a depth sounder with two transducers, a backup transducer in case it ever goes out. You don't have to haul the boat just to put in a transducer. You got an autopilot, which may need a little adjustment. You got a Garmin, well, I have a new GPS with the chips that you put in place of that Garmin there, which I'll put in with the boat, and a new radio, which I'll put in with the boat. They have to be installed, but it's easy to do. If you're going to redo the radar, you might as well do all that at the same time. You got a fish finder for the fish finder. You got a regular big compass. You got your rudder indicator. You got that window in the front there. There's a motor that opens the window.
Okay, so this front window right here, it does open, as you can see. The mechanism and the motor here will pull that out. That's awesome.
The overhead above the instruments has all been redone and re-chromed. You got your air horn, app light. You got a single sideband, Kenwood single sideband, and you got a backup battery for your instruments.
Fantastic.
So you got backups.
Well, very good. We got about 5,700 hours on the motors.
That's right.
Have either of the motors been rebuilt?
The starboard was rebuilt, so that indicator probably is not. It's probably older than what it should be.
Okay.
And you got two fuel pressure gauges to show if you start clogging up on your filters, that'll go down. You'll know that you got a problem developing. Go down there, just switch the rate cores over. You got 2 rate cores per engine, so you don't have to stop in the middle to start putting a new rate core in.
Got a nice wheel. This is all new. Well, very good. Well, there you have it, straight from the owner and captain. On the helm here, I'm Rich Lewis Jr. Stay tuned for some more.